Hello students, welcome to my channel MJ's Knowledge Hub. I hope you all are doing good, staying home and staying safe and preparing for examinations. And if you are new to my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the regular update videos on CS examinations. So, at last we got the long awaited notification for the examination stuff to be held on this July month. Because of the COVID-19, we all were in worry what will happen, what is not going to happen on those things, right? So now the institute has given up with few notifications today, and one such notification is regarding the postponement of the company secretary executive entrance test. As you all know, the first exam to be held in May was postponed to be held on Friday on 17 July 2020. Then now it is further postponed to 29th August 2020, which is on Saturday. So your first exam of CSEET, which you all people have registered, you have to write your examination on 29th August 2020. And again, coming to the CSEET examination, those who have not yet registered for the coming exam, which was actually dated to be on 17 July, and the last date was on 15 June, and now you can register for the upcoming examination, which is now postponed to 29th August 2020 by 27 July 2020. So you can register for the upcoming CSEET examination by 27 July 2020, and you can write the examination on 29th August 2020. So you have got much sufficient number of time, and please do be tuned to my channel. I will definitely share certain tips for your preparation and also will help you in having a smooth transition for your examination. So just keep on studying with your available resources, and you got much good time now, so don't worry, start studying from now so that you can efficiently perform in that exam. Okay, not only for the CSEET, even the other examinations of the CS, like CS Foundation, CS Executive and CS Professional Program, and also post membership qualification exams are also being postponed. They were all planned to be held from 6th July to 16th July, but now they are postponed to be held from 18th August 2020 to 20th August 2020. So let us go into it bit now. So first one being CS Foundation Program, the June session is now taken to be held on August. Sorry, held in August. So the examination timetable now revised, so the exam is now going to be held on Thursday 27th August 2020 and Friday 28th August 2020. As you all know, we have 4 batches each on each day, and first day we have paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 business environment and law, paper 2 business management ethics and entrepreneurship. Then again second day we have paper 3 and 4, paper 3 being business economics and paper number 4 being fundamentals of accounting and auditing. So we have 4 batches. So as per your allotted batch, which you'll be getting over the mail along with the hall ticket number, everything that you can on that day you need to attend for that examination. And then as of now for the foundation people, so you have this one day executive entrance test, right? Sorry, one day orientation program. So one day orientation program, you the time has been extended for you people till the 30th of August. So don't worry, you can happily give the exam first and then you can complete that one day orientation program. Okay, then coming to the other two parts of the CS program, that is CS executive program and CS professional program, even those timetable have also been changed. Of course, the timings are from 2 to 5. The examination timings are from 2 to 5, and the cyclical pattern, that is paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 of the cycle pattern is going on. Everything is same. Only the date has been revised. Now the exam starts on 18th of August, that is on Tuesday, for the executive old new syllabus and professional old new syllabus, and accordingly till 27th till 28th of August you are having that examination. So you can once refer the timetable available on the institute, and I will also drop a link of the institute where the timetable you can easily click on it and view the timetable. Okay, so now you have got sufficient time, you can say one excess time for preparation, and you can also see the note here on the notification that the institute reserves 29, 30 and 31 to meet any exigency. So if required, the institute can use those days for examination also. So what now you have to do is to just relax, focus on the subjects which you are not yet comfortable, and even focus deeply on the places where you can perform well, where it requires a lot of writing practice also, so that you can do well. And stay tuned to my channel where you can just find upcoming videos regarding certain tips of preparation for CSEET and other examination. And do share this video with your friends, and All the best for preparation. Take care. See you in the next video.